At the Penny W. Stamp School of Art and Design, we educate the next generation of artists and designers who are seeking to build a creative life and deploy art and design in the service to society. One of the core curricular and pedagogical imperatives of that education is being able to exhibit their work. Both for artists and designers, being able to share and exchange their work is core to the understanding of how their work can have the greatest impact in society.
So there are many different exhibition opportunities available to undergrads at STAMPS. We have a set of keystone exhibitions that includes the undergraduate juried exhibition, the Integrative Project or IP exhibition, the BA Senior Studio exhibition, and Commence, which is open to all graduating STAMPS majors. Students can also show through the SEC and the Stampede. Both groups put out open calls for student shows.
What is so special about Stamps Gallery is that students, undergraduates and grads get to engage and work closely with experienced and professional artists whose work we are also presenting simultaneously at the time. They not only get hands-on experience, but also build relationships with these artists that can have a lasting, and that do have a lasting impact on their lives and careers.
There are more DIY style, I would say, exhibition opportunities that students can prompt themselves. They can do a simple form through STAMPS facilities to activate a part of the art and architecture building, and they would just work with Grace Guevara to realize their vision for a show in all the same displays that faculty and courses can use.
As my role as part of the facilities team, I was already working with some of the students and some of the faculty to make space for their work in the building and show them kind of like how to work within the spaces that we can offer. I can help bridge that gap between like the spaces that we offer, how to fill them, and how to do it safely in our community.
And then in courses, students will often find themselves participating in small-scale shows of their work from courses. So instructors will often place work in the building from their courses to share what their students are doing, and that is another way that student work gets seen at A&A and on campus.
What I hope students will take from having expanded exhibition opportunities is to create better, more dynamic artists and designers. That students will be able to generate energy from the activity exhibiting their work, and that it'll make their work better. And to experience other people's works that are being exhibited, to learn about their works and to be inspired by them.